Alright, here we are again with my caulk. My nice white caulk. Makes things look nice, see? I'm getting ready to paint my shelves here in my boys' bedroom. Put this right here. I love doing my caulk. I love putting my caulk all over it. I love it. And then put it over here. Sure don't make a mess. Turn this a little bit. Get my hand wet. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Oh. You know, my oldest son, this used to be his bedroom. He is needing to come back home, he says. He needs to stay at our house because has to wait a few weeks before he can move in with his other buddy. I hate to tell my kid no, but it's taking me this long to get this bedroom ready for the next kid to move into so I could get my youngest one out of me and woman's bedroom. But he's walked in on some stuff. And I ain't kidding when I say that kid needs a different room. But unfortunately, this one here isn't going to him. This is going to his brother. His brother's room needs to be redone because it is just nasty. I don't think I'm going to let my oldest one move back in. Yesterday, he started telling me about me and his mom needing to go to church and all this crap. That our poly lifestyle is very bad and it's a sin. You know, this is coming from somebody that's been drunk driving. I guess he finally found church and all this shit. You know, my dad did that too. I wish my oldest son wasn't so judgmental about the way me and his mom want to live. We've been married 19 years, dude. But shoot, we're getting to the point where we're having to spend $500-600 a week on groceries. And I'm not only stuck here at the house remodeling it like this and all that. I have to fucking clean it and shit because the kids ain't gonna do it. And, you know, my wife shouldn't have to clean. If I got a job, who the hell else is gonna clean this place? Who else is gonna work on this place? That's what I worry about. But, you know, that's just me. My answer is just no, dude. I mean, I had to redo your old bedroom. You knocked holes in doors. And then on top of that, this fucking thing. We've already replaced the screen once, and then you did it again. Show you all how to replace this screen. It's not too bad. You see that? That's how it comes out. Just get you one of these things that helps you push the rubber back down in the groove after you put the screen on it. Here, let me go ahead and lay the screen out and show you. All right. And you see how that gets all pushed down in there in that groove again? It's hard to do with one hand, but you go around it and cut all the way out. After you got the new screen on it, window's all clean. I'd rather one of the other kids mess this window up again. Because I've already fixed it twice for you, Jackson. Shit.